Welcome to a world where serenity reigns supreme. Imagine standing at the gateway of an enchanting retreat, enveloped by the untouched beauty of the Canadian wilderness. As the camera pans over emerald forests and crystal-clear lakes, the essence of peace and rejuvenation begins to resonate. In this haven far from city chaos, adventure awaits those longing for a respite, promising moments of stillness and communion with nature. Within this majestic landscape, immerse yourself in the breathtaking natural wonders of Canada. Towering mountains bathed in soft morning light invoke a sense of grandeur, while placid lakes shimmer under the vast sky. Picture yourself wandering through dense forests, where each rustle of leaves and chirp of wildlife enhances the symphony of nature. This magical scenery forms a perfect tapestry, designed for those eager to escape the clamor of daily life and rejuvenate their spirit amidst nature's embrace. Your journey to this pristine sanctuary is an adventure in itself. Whether you choose to come by winding highways framed by vibrant foliage or scenic train rides, each moment en route is a feast for the senses. Ideal times to visit are in early autumn or spring, as the landscape erupts with colors that transform the retreat into a picturesque wonderland. As your anticipation builds, so does your connection with the natural beauty surrounding you. Make sure you're prepared to immerse yourself fully in this breathtaking escape, allowing every detail of this retreat to envelop your soul. What awaits you each day at this spectacular retreat? Envision the invigorating experience of hiking through lush trails as sunlight dances upon your skin. Picture canoeing across serene waters with a backdrop of undisturbed landscapes stretching infinitely. These experiences offer freedom and a unique connection with nature, allowing you to silence the noise of the digital world. Guided walks unveil secrets of the wilderness, inviting awe-inspiring wildlife encounters, transforming your stay into an awakening of the senses and spirit. How does this retreat truly stand apart? It's in the blend of comfort and ecological mindfulness. With eco-friendly accommodations crafted from natural materials, your experience remains attuned to the environment. Enhance your stay with rich cultural immersion through engaging activities that celebrate local traditions. Reviews from past visitors echo the rejuvenation felt within these peaceful surroundings, solidifying this retreat as a timeless sanctuary. Embrace the calm, embrace the wilderness, and let this enchanting retreat unlock a new chapter in your life.